the Broadway parking garage in Walnut Creek, California. This was a Montgomery elevator. It's been modernized. I actually got stuck in this elevator with a bunch of passengers last year. Let's see if it's acting okay.
That is a nice motor.
4th floor.
It slows down like around, like just passing the floor next, like whatever the fuck. Never mind. Shut up. That's epic.
1st floor.
No brakes? That is cool.
4th floor.
I didn't even get to hear that last time because we got stuck between 3 and 4. Listen, one more time.
Floor.
That is one of the most epic sounding modern day traction motors I've ever heard. Also, look at this. These look like northern doors. Artistic doors or whatever. And that will be it.